Morning, small players. Happy Monday and happy August. Let's make this the best month yet. I have to say, I am impressed with small caps this summer. Sometimes they can be a little slower in the summer because there's less traders like us that are trading every day, but that really was not the case. We've had a great summer so far. August is traditionally a big vacation month. I want to say last 2 weeks of August. So, let's just be patient. Let's not try and force setups. Let's just trade what comes to us. Let the trade come to you. Do not force trades. The main watch for me this morning is RMO because it has this very clear resistance here on 170. So I will enter this on break above 70 and then I'll take profits every 50 cents, 75, 80, and 85. So as you can see, that's a very big range. We can use VWAP as a stop. So with that, our risk reward is a 3-to-1. This is a 18% move to high of day. So I'm very interested in this. I'm also going to take a look at the daily chart to see any squeeze levels on the daily. So break above 80 is actually a pretty big level on the daily chart. And then we obviously won. But this is good to know because then we can add maybe on break above 80. Yeah, I like this stock because it's on the cheaper end, but it has a lot of range. The main reason why I don't like cheap stocks is because sometimes you have to fight for pennies. But this one has resistances every 5 cents. Once it clears one, it has it on every 20 cents. So that's plenty. That's plenty of range. Okay, so that's RMO. Let's go back now to the ones with more volume. We have GOVX, which has been a trade a lot for us for the past for the past couple of weeks for sure. We had an alert here for break above 340, which was the high of the day of Friday. It broke it in the early institutional trading session. And never really bounced there. I mean, this one almost went there, but not really. Then we had this very big resistance here in 365. When it finally broke above it, it squeezed. So, if it does dip below VWAP on Bell, I would look for a dip and rip to 65 or 40 for a trade. And if not, we can trade break above 420. And then we can add on break above high of day, break above 450 because that's, going to be a big squeeze level probably. Then we have AEMD. Let's see here. We have this pretty big level of 1.4. It would be nice if it did a bounce on 1.4. It's consolidating now around 150, which is a big psychological level. So it would be nice if it rejected, gave us a bounce to 1.4. We could use VWAP as a stop there, and then we have profit taking 145, 150. Then we can use 155 because it seems like it has them every 5 cents. Let's look at the daily chart. 120, 125. Yeah, 155. Then 170, and then 2. Okay. Those are the levels there. TBLT. TBLT was also a stock that we traded a lot last week. It looks like it's still in play. It did a VWAP bounce. It seems like it has strong resistance around 8.5, which was also big resistance on Friday. And then we have 8.7, and then we have 8.9. Well, actually, I'm going to put this one lower so I can catch so I can catch this morning's high. So like this, remember how we say that the latest candles have precedence over the earlier ones. So we can trade here, break above 8.5 or another bounce on VWAP on Bell, or if it dips 7.5 would be a good reversal price. I mean, maybe even 7.75. RMO we went through. VRAX. I actually have been loving dead cat bounces lately. They've been very good to me. So I'm going to send alert here for break above 8.4, which is this morning's high. This one sold out overnight, obviously, but since it's on scanner, that's telling us that it's picking up buying momentum. So we can use that for a dead cat bounce trade, and it has plenty of room. So we can trade break above 840, then break above 9, then break above 10. All very key levels. So I like this one a lot. Then we have NGAM. I like this one too, actually. A good price range. I like this price range. Plenty of room to high of day. 18 is big resistance, but these candles broke it and then found rejection on 8.3, 18.3. So we could, on Bell, look to trade a break of 18, but then take profits on 8.25 and then break above, I keep saying 18, and then break above 18.3. We can add for a move towards 20. I'm very interested in this as well. TNXP, this one dropped down and then pretty much recovered the whole move. It looks like even though it's recovering, I don't see any like very big squeezes outside of this break of 2, so I can send alert here for break above 225. I have on a different day I would be more excited about this stock, but this morning we've actually had some very good charts, some very good options. So this one does not look as good as compared to some of the other ones that we saw this morning. So for that reason, I'll probably just wait for a break of higher day on this one instead of trying to trade it before, and I'd rather focus on one of the other ones that I liked a lot. CYAD, I don't know why it's not showing me anything before this, because I feel like I know this stock. We've had it before. Oh yeah, I don't know why it's not showing the full chart. So here we have 2, 2, 5. Well, 3 is obviously going to be a level because that's a psychological number. Okay, what is this consolidation here? Okay, we can settle our here for break above 270. ACMR, nothing there. On these, the volume's lower. And just let's see what the general market's doing. General market, no specific direction on the NASDAQ. So we'll see. Perhaps today won't really be a day to trade TQQQ or SQQQ, but let's see, this level of 313, if we get a bounce there, we could trade TQQQ. If it goes below that, we can trade SQQQ. And then break above 315, we can take TQQQ. Rejection of 315, we can take SQQQ. Okay, you guys, see you in the chat room.